Are you ready for the boom? Surely you must be waiting for the video. And it's here. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is programming. By definition, programming refers to making of computer programs to perform or solve a particular task accurately. But unlike human beings, the computers follow all the instructions accurately and precisely. That is the only reason human beings often make mistakes while calculation, whereas a computer never makes. All the computer applications and the mobile applications are made with the help of programming. Programming contains a set of instructions, which are given in a programming language. We'll discuss about the programming language in the next video. We are here to provide you with the best tech knowledge. So do not forget to subscribe the channel to never run out of an update.